So guys, good morning and welcome back to Sailing Vessel Booby. It's finally arrived the wind generator from SilentWind, as you can see here. This is the new model. This is the SilentWind Pro, and I'm ready to proceed with you with the unboxing. So let's go. We open the box. As you can see, it's a huge one, quite heavy. Is about 10 kilos. And as soon as we open, what we find out is the USB key with the manual inside. So we will see this one later on. So let me open. Okay, good. So this is what we can find inside. And now I'll show you all the components. So we can start with the charge control. This one is produced by SilentWind. It is an hybrid one. It means that that we can use this charge controller for both, for the wind generator and for the solar panel. For wind generator, the maximum amperage is 50 amps, and for the solar is 20 amps. So for me it's perfect, since I have two solar panels with a maximum amperage below 20 amps. So it's good. So I can remove my old charge controller that I have used until now for the solar panel, and I will replace that with this one, and I will use this for both, for wind generator and solar panel. And now let's go to the wind generator. This one is quite heavy. This is the wind generator. As you can see, this is the new one. This is the Pro version. And this one is 420 watts. The old one, the SilentWind, the previous one was rated to 400 amps. So this is the connection for the pole and the three line for the electric cable. It's a three-phase alternate power source, and here is the box with the propeller. Those are the three blades of the propeller, 1, 2, and 3. As you probably know, those are the most important element of this generator, because those was studied in order to obtain a very, very silent generator. That makes the difference between this one and all the other. These three propellers are made by carbon fiber. So what else? This is the hub where we can connect the three blades, and at the end the nose cone. So after that we have installed the propeller over there, we can put the cone in front, and the wind generator at the end will be ready for the installation. So this unboxing is complete, and I will prepare all the necessary tools and pole for the final installation of my boat, and so be ready for the next video for the SilentWind Pro installation. Thank you everybody.